Hello children, welcome to my class Online Study with Vinay. Today we will discuss about another components of food that is called vitamin. So here you are seeing in the slide the definition of vitamin, one of several substances that are found in certain types of food and that are important for growth and good health is called vitamin. Okay. The term vitamin is derived from the word vitamine, means vitamine is a very ancient word which was coined, means which was known in 1912 by Polish biochemist Casimir Funk, who isolated a complex of micronutrients essential to life, all of which he presumed to be amines, means they grouped it as amines. They called it amines. Okay, learn the name Polish biochemist Casimir Funk in 1912. Okay, when this presumption was later determined not to be true, the E was dropped. E is removed. So what it be? It would become vitamin. All vitamins were discovered, means identified between 1912 and 1948, means between of 1913 to 1948. Okay, vitamins are classified as either water soluble or fat soluble, means vitamins are classified in two groups, water soluble and fat soluble. In humans there are 13 vitamins. 4 are fat soluble, that are A, D, E and K, and 9 water soluble. 8 B vitamins, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B6, B12, and vitamin C. These are the water soluble. The best way to get enough vitamin means, suppose that our body is lack of vitamins, our body needed vitamin, then what to do? We have to eat a balanced diet. What? Balanced diet with a variety of food, means green vegetables, fruits. In some cases you may need to take vitamin supplements, means tablet form. Some are powder form supplement. It's a good idea to ask your healthcare provider first. High doses of some vitamin can cause problems. That's why doctor suggested not to take any vitamin supplements without any diagnosis. Okay, these are the description of vitamins. Name of vitamin B, that are the vitamins are substances that are your body needs to grow and develop normally. There are 13 vitamins your body needs. Vitamin A, vitamin B, that are called thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folate. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9. Vitamin C 10, vitamin D 11, vitamin E 12, and vitamin K 13. So there are total 13 vitamins. Now we will go through our lesson. This is our book's slide, vitamin. I want to give you a full explanation and full knowledge about the vitamin. That's why I got some knowledge from the Google, and that I put in the slide and in my video. Okay, so I want to make your understanding easy. That's why you can understand with the help of my video to understand the vitamin, to understand the topics. So vitamins are a group of nutrients that our body requires in some small quantity. They are essential for the proper working of food. Means without it we can't work properly. So these are the source of vitamins. These are the vitamins A source, these are the vitamin B source, vitamin C source and vitamin D source. Vitamin help in protecting our body against disease. This is the main work of vitamins. Like protein build up our body. They heal the wounds. The same vitamins fight against disease. The vitamins are represented by letters alphabet A, B, C, D, E, K. Some of important vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin B1, B2, B6, and B12 all together are called vitamin B complex. This is the table where you can see the sources and function of vitamin. Firstly, we will talk about vitamin A. Leafy vegetable, carrots, fish liver oil. These are the source. And what it does, it work. It does maintain healthy eyesight, proper growth, and healthy skin. Okay, so we have to eat these sources to cure our these body parts. Vitamin B complex, green vegetables, eggs, milk, and whole cereals means sprouts. Helps in proper functioning of digestive system and heart and nerves and muscles. This is very important because it works on our heart, nerves, etc. Vitamin C, all sour food, खट्टे चीजें, आंवला, citrus food like lemon, orange, lime, tomato, guava, green vegetables. Look at here, one thing is common, green vegetable is common. So we have to eat green vegetable like spinach, fenugreek, gourd, pumpkin, green vegetables. It is necessary for vitamin C, necessary for keeping teeth, gums, and joints healthy. Last, vitamin D, milk, egg yolk, fish, liver oil. It is also produced in the body with the skin is exposed to sunlight. Means sunlight is a good source of vitamin A. We have to stay at least 30 minutes in sunlight. Essential for normal growth of bones and teeth. Means it makes our teeth and bones hard. Sorry, this picture is again set up by mistake. These are the pictures I have set for you. These are the vitamin tablets. They are multicolored. Look at it. They looks very nice. Look at here. Okay.